Question 12a, Part 1. Write root 3 cos x minus sin x in the form 2 cos x plus alpha, where alpha is greater than 0 and less than pi over 2. Start by writing the identity 2 cos of x plus alpha is identical to root 3 cos x minus sin x. Dividing both sides of the identity by 2, we have cos of x plus alpha is identical to root 3 over 2 cos x minus half sin x. Expanding the left-hand side of the identity using a compound angle expansion, we have cos x cos alpha minus sin x sin alpha is identical to root 3 over 2 cos x minus half sin x. Equating the coefficients of cos x on both sides of the identity, we have cos of alpha is equal to root 3 over 2. And taking the inverse cos of both sides of this equation, we have alpha is equal to pi over 6. Therefore, root 3 cos x minus sin x is identical to 2 cos of x plus pi over 6. Part 2. Hence or otherwise, solve root 3 cos x equals 1 plus sin x, where x is greater than 0 and less than 2 pi. Rearrange the equation root 3 cos x equals 1 plus sin x by subtracting sin x from both sides of the equation. So the equation now becomes root 3 cos x minus sin x equals 1. Now from part 1, root 3 cos x minus sin x is identical to 2 cos of x plus pi over 6. So now we can solve the equation 2 cos of x plus pi over 6 equals 1. Dividing both sides of the equation by 2, we have cos of x plus pi over 6 equals half. Taking the inverse cos of both sides of the equation, we get x plus pi over 6 is equal to pi over 3, or 5 pi over 3. And subtracting pi over 6 from both of these values, we have x is equal to pi over 6, or 3 pi over 2.